Laundry is a collection of soiled clothing that you once wore. Depending on your personal definition of cleanliness, you'll discover laundry in a hamper, on your bed, the floor, or on your roommate. We don't recommend placing laundry on your roommate. However, personal preferences should direct your behavior toward one another. If you would like to wear clean clothes, we recommend either purchasing new clothes on a weekly basis or cleaning your clothes. This is commonly called doing your laundry. It costs $1.25 to wash and $1.25 to dry. There is a laundry facility located on the first floor of your building or right outside. You may use quarters at most facilities. Quarters are metallic currency that are worth 25% of $1. 5 of these quarters will allow you to initiate a wash or a dry cycle. If you cannot acquire or do not prefer to use quarters, you may use bullbucks, which is money you have loaded onto your USF ID card. That is not how you do that. Visit usf.edu/bullbucks and follow the links to put money on your card. Remember to read the instructions in your laundry room that will help you successfully clean your clothes. Once your clothes are clean, you may wear them. If you have succeeded, others will compliment your appearance and odor. Doing your laundry will help you have a great time living the Bull's life.